Firefox focusing on AI could be good for everyone. I'll talk about how, but first, some background. So if you haven't heard, Mozilla appointed a new CEO who wrote his inaugural blog post on Mozilla's blog. In this post, he wrote about how Firefox will evolve into a modern AI browser. And everyone absolutely freaked out. People posting about leaving Firefox, how they switched to Firefox, and now they might have to look for alternatives. So I wanted to talk about some of the criticisms being thrown at Mozilla. Granted, some of them Mozilla earned based on their blunders in the past. But like everyone else, even Mozilla's past is not defined by a few blunders. They have an entire history with developing Firefox as a browser that respects its users. Firefox 1.0 launched with pop-up blockers, for Pete's sake. So the first common theme in the criticisms against Mozilla and Firefox is that they are out of touch with their user base. This particular criticism does not do justice to the people working on Firefox and that have been working on Firefox for a long time. I think Mozilla already knows that Firefox user base, all 4% of us, want to be able to choose the features that we use. We want our browser to be fast, we want our browser to be private, we want our browser to give us choice. What we don't want is for our browser to cram AI down our throats like every other browser out there. In other words, we want to make AI a choice, just like any other feature of the browser. All of this is what the majority of the blog post was focused on. Firefox is already a browser that gives the users a lot of choice. If they're expanding those choices, I'm all for it. Another criticism I've heard is that Mozilla needs to focus on differentiating Firefox to gain more users. To that, I say, how much more different can Firefox be at this point? Basically, every other browser is a Chromium clone, and then there's Safari, if you really want to go there. Firefox is the only major independent browser left that, from top to bottom, is different from every other browser out there. Everything from its JavaScript engine to video calling implementation to its PDF viewer, even the UI is different from most other browsers out there. Yes, it loses in synthetic benchmarks. Does that translate to real-world usage? Not really. So then you, dear viewer, may ask, if Firefox is already so different, why are they doing what every other browser is doing and adding AI? That's a great question. At a time when Chrome has 75% of the browser market, Firefox needs to be relevant to those users as well as its current user base. If you're competing with AI browsers, then you have to compete with your own AI implementation. Most users that maybe in the future use Firefox will come from Chrome. Those Chrome users might not migrate to Firefox because Google introduced more AI, but because Google took more user agency away, like they did with ad blockers. User agencies where Firefox shines to this day. I didn't see anything in the blog post that suggested otherwise. Here's the thing. These messages from high-level execs are more than just for everyday users. They are also for other corporations. Right now, Microsoft and Google are stuffing their respective browsers with AI, and any business deploying those browsers on their machines has to deal with that AI stuffing without any control over it. With this messaging, Mozilla is signaling to these businesses as well that Firefox will be a modern browser that has AI features and will allow you to control them. Finally, my personal reason for why I think Firefox focusing on AI is a good thing is because AI desperately needs a trusted, privacy-friendly champion. Right now, all of AI, or most of it, is controlled by gigantic corporations who no one trusts. Sure, Mozilla will have to use existing models. Maybe they standardize a protocol to anonymize data going to these models, or maybe this effort introduces Mozilla's own privacy-friendly models. If AI is the new frontier, as the web was in the early 2000s, then I think Firefox can make it more user-friendly. Well, those are just my 2 cents. Leave yours in the comments below. I also have a link in the description if you'd like to buy me a coffee. And remember to do the usual YouTube stuff like subscribe if you want. I'll see you in the next one.